Welcome back, Linux lovers. Well, today we're going to take a look at something that's not exactly Linux. It's called TrueOS. That's interesting because that would imply that other OSs are false OSs. It's just a thought. But this is TrueOS, and this is based off of BSD. It's Unix type system, so I guess it's maybe a cousin of Linux. Not sure. I'll have a link for this below in the show notes. I did take a look at the TrueOS handout. Yes, copy the mousey. All right. I did take a look at the TrueOS handbook, and I found it to be quite. Yeah, I had to run this in scale mode. And it doesn't play very well out of the box on a virtual machine. But that being said, take a look at the TrueOS user guide if you are curious. Definitely look at the guide. A quick browse through this, I found this to be very well detailed, explained, extremely user-friendly. So take a look at this. Alright, let's see if I can get through this. So this is the default desktop here. Let's see, right-click, terminal, browse files, applications. Okay, very nice. Let's see what kind of wallpapers we have real quick. Let's see where we at here. One wallpaper? Is that what I see? Okay. This is using the, I believe it's the Lumina Desktop by default. I'm not sure it's my favorite desktop environment, but that being said, let's keep on going here. Alright, bottom panel, some shortcuts, connections. Alright, network. And let's see what the mixer looks like. Volume, PCM, speaker, line mic, CD. Okay, alright. Let's see, can we right click on the panel? It does not appear to. Okay. Let's see, App Cafe, we looked at the handbook. Lumina theme, let's take a look at that real quick. Fusion or Windows. Sure, let's go to Windows. Doesn't really do much. Let's see, default, custom, darker, sand. It's kind of bright, but that's okay. Let's go. Let's see what else we have here. Effects, fonts, icons, cursors, general styles. But that really is bright, isn't it? I'll leave it there for now. Alright, let's move along. But my mouse is acting crazy in this in a virtual box. Okay, looks like Cubzilla web browser by default. I believe that's been changed to Falcon web browser, if I am not mistaken. VLC and Trojita. Gee, now I'm thinking of fajita. I'm not sure what that is, I'll be quite honest. Okay, looks like messaging, general, messages, address book. Okay, all right. Let's move along. The application will continue in the system tray. Very well. I have no problem with that. It looks like I lost my... oh, it's still there at the time. It's auto hide just for the time and the date it would appear. Alright, no big deal. Let's see. Hotkey function. Okay, that works. So we have a search. Downloads, pictures, videos. Can we right click to add? Remove from favorites, add to quick launch, pin to desktop. Okay. Browse files. Pretty simple. Alright, good enough. Let's go back. Let's see, control panel, update manager. Let's see what the update manager looks like. Checking for updates. Okay, I'm not gonna wait. Let's move along. Let's see here. Preferences, and not much here. Let's go back. Let's go to Browse Applications, Categories, Multimedia. A couple there. Let's go back. Okay, let's do that again. You know, I have to be honest. If this is the default desktop environment for this, personally, I think it sucks. But the first thing that comes to mind is Yuck. Let's go back again. Can I right click on this? Just give me a list of applications. No, I can't do that. Okay. Alright, the App Cafe, the installer. Quick search, let's see, is Simple Screen Recorder installed or available by default? Looks like it is. Very good. Let's try maybe Skype. Okay, looks like it is. Skype call recorder does not work. Yeah, that should have been taken out of the repository. Let's see. What else do I use? Audacity. Okay, that's there. Let's try Kdenlive. Very good. And let's take a look finally. GUVC view. Let's see if that works. Oh, okay. I think that's how you spell it. Try GU. Okay. I don't see it. Let's move along. You know, this is simple, or maybe it's too simple, but this is horrible. The Lumina Desktop, as I see it here in TrueOS, is oh my, I don't like it. Maybe it's something I could get used to. Okay, so I can scroll down and check all the applications. You know, for this being almost a 3 GB download, there's not much in here. And it just crashed. Okay, let's try it again. Oh my. Okay, alright, enough. It's not playing for me nicely in a virtual machine, but that's okay. That sometimes happens in a virtual machine, so I can't blame TrueOS for that. So in conclusion, because this is starting to get painful, perhaps a different desktop environment for this might work best for you. I believe there are different desktop environments. I didn't really look, but the default Lumina Desktop is horrible in my opinion, and I don't like it. I'm just telling it as I see it, for better or for worse. But this is my first look at BSD, maybe my second look in 10 years of messing with Linux, more than 10 years. So I wanted to give this a shot. This might work better as a full install in a different desktop environment. But as it stands now, TrueOS with the Lumina Desktop, yuck. That's all that I can say. It's not for me. Anyway, I think I'll leave it there. If I missed anything and you use this, please let me know. But for now, this is TotalOS Today signing off into my big, beautiful, bold Ubuntu Mate machine. I feel so much better now.